The Optimum Polymer Technologies Pro Plus drying towel is a must-have for anybody who's serious about car care and detailing. Drying your vehicle is one of the most important steps in achieving a flawless finish, and the Pro Plus drying towel is designed to make this process faster, easier, and safer. It's crafted with premium microfiber technologies. This towel is ultra-absorbent, capable of holding an incredible amount of water, so you can dry your car with fewer passes. Its ultra-plush, scratch-free fibers are gentle on all surfaces, whether it's your car's paint, glass, or chrome, leaving no streaks, lint, or damage behind. The Pro Plus drying towel isn't just effective, it's also durable, maintaining its high-quality performance after repeated washes. What truly sets this towel apart is its size and versatility. It's large enough to handle even the biggest vehicles, yet lightweight and easy enough to manage. It's the perfect solution for professional details and car enthusiasts alike. The Optimum Polymer Technologies has built a reputation on innovation and quality, and the Pro Plus drying towel is no exception. It's more than just a drying tool. It's a way to achieve a professional showroom, quality finish, and less time with less effort. So if you're looking for a drying towel that combines advanced technologies with superior results, the Optimum Polymer Technologies Pro Plus drying towel is the perfect choice. Remember, clean smarter, shine brighter.